Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best dog toothpaste is probably one of the most important yet often overlooked aspects of canine health. Choosing the right toothpaste can significantly impact your furry friend's oral hygiene, preventing painful dental issues and contributing to their overall well-being. This video will guide you through the process of selecting the perfect toothpaste for your dog, considering factors like their age, breed, and any specific dental needs they may have, ensuring a healthy and happy smile for years to come. Number 5. Nylabone Advanced Oral Care Kit. Introducing the Nylabone Advanced Oral Care Kit. It's a vet-recommended dental kit that uses natural ingredients to keep your dog's teeth and gums healthy. This toothbrush has a specially angled neck for better access to those hard-to-reach places. It makes brushing easier for both you and your furry friend. The included Dentacy formula is scientifically proven to reduce plaque and the bacteria it harbors. It's all part of keeping your dog's mouth clean and healthy. This handy finger brush gently removes plaque and food debris. It's a simple way to supplement regular brushing and keep your dog's smile bright. It's made right here in the USA with a delicious natural peanut flavor your dog will love. This makes dental care a treat, not a chore. Everything you need for a complete oral care routine is right here in one convenient kit. Give your dog the gift of a healthy smile. What we like? It's a vet-recommended kit with a natural formula and yummy peanut flavor. If your dog is picky about taste and you prioritize natural ingredients, this is a great option. It's perfect for owners who want a gentle, yet effective way to improve their dog's dental health using natural ingredients. What people say. I've been buying the small senior toothbrush kit for my dog for a few years now. I can honestly say that I love it. I had tried a few different doggy toothbrushes before I found this one, and some of them are shaped so weird, I'm not even sure how to use them. This one, however, is shaped perfectly. I have no trouble getting it into my dog's mouth and brushing her teeth. I brush her teeth daily and this toothbrush lasts about a month before showing wear and needing to be replaced. Buying the kit instead of just the individual toothbrush always keeps me with more than enough toothpaste, so it's a really good value in my opinion. And you honestly only need just a small amount of toothpaste to brush your dog's teeth. My girl never seems to mind the flavor either. Recently I got a new dog, so I got the adult toothbrush kit with peanut butter flavored toothpaste, and this brush works just as well as the senior brush. I have no trouble brushing my dog's teeth, and this is a dog that has never had her teeth brushed before. I'd say this brush is just as high quality as the senior brush, and even with a little chewing on the brush, it seems to be holding up well. The brush and finger brush are great and would work well, worth 5 stars, if my dog would like the peanut flavored toothpaste. She just turns her head away if I approach her face with this flavor and walks away if I don't withdraw it. I have to admit it does not smell of peanut butter to me either. I have switched to a vanilla mint and that seems to be tolerated a little bit better. My 14-year-old Chihuahua has bad teeth and the other toothbrushes hurt her, so I found these and they are foam and she doesn't mind at all. And she enjoys the toothpaste too. And this week at her vet visit her teeth weren't inflamed, so no antibiotics this round, so they said keep doing it. Number 4. Arm & Hammer Pet Dental Kit. Dental disease is painful for your furry friend, but they're experts at hiding it. Regular brushing can help prevent this common problem. This complete kit gives you everything you need to keep your dog's teeth healthy and their breath fresh. It's easy to use and your dog will love the taste. Never use human toothpaste on your pet, it can be toxic. This specially formulated toothpaste is safe and delicious for your canine companion. It uses the power of Arm & Hammer baking soda to effectively remove tartar and plaque, leaving teeth clean and breath minty fresh. The kit includes a dual-headed toothbrush for a thorough clean, and a finger toothbrush for easy access to those hard-to-reach spots. With the Arm & Hammer Pet Dental Kit, you can help your dog maintain healthy teeth and gums for years to come. Start brushing today. What we like? This kit boasts a refreshing mint flavor and includes baking soda for tartar control, plus a dual-head toothbrush for thorough cleaning. If you're looking for a powerful cleaning solution with a minty fresh breath outcome, this kit is for you. It's ideal for dogs who need extra help with plaque and tartar buildup. What people say. It worked very well on my 2-3-year-old Maltese. It is very black, but the splatters cleaned right off with a damp rag touch-up on their white fur when I was done. It is cleaning their teeth nicely. I like how it has 2 brushes on each end and comes with the brush for your finger. That really helps to get back towards their gums. My dog seems to really like that taste of the toothpaste as well. Has greatly reduced the tartar on her back teeth. Love that the toothbrush has 2 different sizes. Makes getting the teeth in the furthest part of her mouth easier. Number 3. Petsmile Professional Pet Toothpaste. It's the only VOHC accepted toothpaste, meeting the highest standards for your pet's oral health. Daily brushing with it will dramatically improve their dental health. Its Calprox formula is clinically proven to fight plaque and tartar, gently whitening teeth and improving gum health for kissably fresh breath. Made with human-grade ingredients, it's the highest quality pet toothpaste on the market. Your pet can eat or drink right after using it. No brushing needed. Just apply it to your pet's teeth, and let their tongue do the work. The delicious taste makes dental care a treat. Hypoallergenic and made with premium ingredients, it's a favorite among veterinary dentists. It promotes healthy, white teeth and gums, and it never expires. What we like? It's the only VOHC accepted toothpaste, requires no brushing, and uses human-grade ingredients. If you have a dog that hates having their teeth brushed, this is a game changer. It's perfect for those who want a convenient and effective way to maintain their pet's oral hygiene without the struggle of brushing. What people say. It is currently one of the only pet toothpastes that is veterinary tested and approved. Unlike many other pet toothpastes, it doesn't contain baking soda, fluoride, or xylitol, all of which are very harmful to cat and dogs. After just a few weeks of regular use, I noticed a significant reduction in plaque buildup and fresher breath. Within 2 weeks of using Petsmile, I've noticed that the stains that I could not get off my dog's teeth, even with daily brushing, are now dissolving. The directions say you can just wipe it on your dog's teeth, no brushing necessary. Number 2. Arterra Pet Science Remineralizing Dog Toothpaste. It's the first dog toothpaste with nanohydroxyapatite technology. This helps repair early tooth decay and rebuild enamel, leading to stronger, healthier teeth. This comprehensive formula tackles many oral health issues at once. It removes plaque, reduces tartar, improves gum health, and freshens breath, all in one easy application. It's a non-toxic, fluoride-free formula that's plant-based and hypoallergenic. It's gentle yet effective, safe for daily use. It delivers long-lasting fresh breath. Your dog's mouth will feel cleaner and smell better after every brushing. Dogs love the natural peanut butter flavor. It's sweetened with dog-safe ingredients, making brushing time a positive experience. Good dental health is key to your dog's overall well-being. It helps prevent infections that can affect major organs, promoting a longer, healthier life. Made with the highest quality standards in the USA, it ensures the best dental care for your beloved canine companion. What we like? This toothpaste is revolutionary, with remineralizing properties to repair early decay and a plant-based formula. If you want to actively repair your dog's teeth and prefer natural ingredients, this is the best choice. It's ideal for dogs showing early signs of tooth decay and owners who prioritize natural and safe products. What people say. Less inflammation in the gums, all but gone entirely. Plaque reduced so much I called my vet to reassure myself it's 100% safe, and they said absolutely. They hear nothing but rave reviews. His teeth are whiter altogether, it's definitely helped his breath and he loves the taste. This toothpaste with the nanohydroxyapatite, this active ingredient, is preferred in dental implants over titanium, which has shown that yes, they will last forever. However, long-term it does not do well with body fluid. So yes, nanohydroxyapatite. I do my research now. So yes, this toothpaste has empty mouth feeling so refreshed that I just want to stay refreshed all day. Number 1. Arm and Hammer Tartar Control Kit. Give your furry friend the gift of fresh breath and healthy gums with our new dental kit. It's specially formulated for dogs of all ages and sizes. This kit gently reduces tartar buildup and plaque, leaving your dog's teeth sparkling clean. It's a simple way to improve your dog's oral health. We use natural ingredients, including baking soda, to create a tasty beef-flavored toothpaste your dog will love. It's safe and effective for daily use. Start by letting your dog lick the toothpaste from your finger. Gradually introduce the toothbrush or finger brush for a more thorough cleaning. Brush 2 to 3 times a week for best results. With regular use, it helps eliminate bad breath and promotes healthy gums. It's the perfect way to show your love and care for your canine companion. Always avoid contact with eyes. Keep out of reach of children. Store at room temperature. Remember, it's for pets only. What we like. It's formulated with baking soda for tartar control and has a delicious beef flavor that even puppies love. If you have a puppy or a dog who is sensitive to certain ingredients, this is a safe and effective option. It's perfect for introducing dental care to young dogs or those with sensitive teeth and gums. What people say. Pup is not a fan of the fingertip attachment, so went with the large head brush. Followed advice and the first few times just got her used to the idea of a non-chewable stick in her mouth. After 2 weeks, the brushing is tolerated pretty well. Worked good on my dog's teeth and gums and they seem to like the taste. Didn't fight me with cleaning. Both of my dogs enjoy the taste of the beef, but if I were to describe the smell I'd say it has the smell of the cheapest wet dog food you could buy. The smell is better than if they have horrid dragon breath if you will, but it's not particularly pleasant either. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.